Jayco North Point 377 RLBH for sale in San Jose, California, 95134. Motivated to sell? Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH. This luxury fifth wheel is 42.58 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 9 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as standard leveling jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean like new condition. This Jayco North Point 377 RLBH fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make the spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include features 2 bedrooms, an overhead loft space, a convenient kitchen island, and fireplace, plus sleeping for 9. As you enter, take the steps to your right, which leads to the front master bedroom and bath. The bathroom features a shower, linen cabinet, toilet, and vanity with sink, plus overhead medicine cabinet. At the end of the hall, enter the bedroom where you can rest comfortably on a queen slide-out bed with shelf on each side. You can choose a king-size bed if you like. There is a chest of drawers opposite with TV above, and a walk-in closet for all of your hanging clothes along the front wall. You will also love the additional storage closet where you can add a washer and dryer if you choose. Back to the main entry, head left into the front combined kitchen and living room space. Here you will find a slide-out dining table with 4 chairs, and theater sofa for 2 along the curbside wall just inside the door. You can choose 2 recliners in place of the theater sofa if you like. Opposite the door side is a kitchen slide that contains a lift TV with fireplace below on one end, and kitchen amenities on the other end. You can easily create meals and snacks with the appliances included. There is a 12 cubic feet refrigerator, or choose an optional residential refrigerator, a 3-burner range with overhead microwave oven, and a pantry. A convenient kitchen island offers added counter food prep space and a double sink, making cleaning up a cinch. Just off the kitchen area, find a bonus room with loft above. The room can serve as a den, or an extra bedroom, or for whatever you need. There is a bifold hide-a-bed with flip-up bunk slide along the roadside, a removable table, and a closet with desk space including a TV above along the interior wall. Along the rear wall of this North Point model there is a tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa with ottoman and overhead storage that stretches the entire width of the fifth wheel. This will make it easy to keep things neatly tucked away and organized. On the outside, a 17-feet awning provides ample protection from the elements, giving you a nice outdoor space.